latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Kannada film industry seems to be slowly getting on its feet after lockdown restrictions were eased across India. Makers of projects which were in the last leg of the shoot are raring to get back and finish their films. The production houses chose to announce resumption of shoot after Varma Lakshmi festival, as it is considered to be an auspicious time in the Hindu calendar. The good news is that Rocky Bai and team will soon be getting back to the KGF Chapter 2 sets. The Yes Starter, directed by Prashant Neel, has 25 days of shoot left and will be resuming filming around the 2nd or 3rd week of August. KGF 2 team has completed 90% of the shoot and is left with a few major fight sequences and important sequences. The makers are also setting up film sets in Bengaluru and are not venturing out of the city. The makers are coming up with a huge set at Minerva Mills, where the first part of the remaining schedule will take place. Preparation work is on and the team is chalking out plans to restart shoot. We will be instituting strict guidelines on the sets, and we will have all the technicians temporarily camped at a nearby hotel and will not be allowed to venture out until the schedule gets completed. The 25 days of remaining schedule will be completed in 2 parts. The first part of the remaining shoot is planned for 15 days, after which they will take a short break, and the last schedule will be for 10 days, where they plan to complete the entire film. KGF Chapter 1, which was made in Kannada and dubbed and released in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Hindi, received a lot of appreciation from audiences across India. There are a lot of expectations riding on the sequel to this pan-Indian film. KGF Chapter 2 recently created a buzz when the team revealed the first look of Sanjay Dutt, who plays the role of the antagonist, Adhira. KGF Chapter 2 also has Bollywood actor Raveena Tandon playing a pivotal role in this film that has Srinidhi Shetty playing the female lead. KGF Chapter 2, produced by Vijay Kiragandur, will be one of the first big budget films to resume shoot in Karnataka post the lockdown. Hombale Films had announced October 23rd as the release date. It is now unsure if the film would make the cut owing to the global pandemic. So, will the fans get to say Salam Rocky Bai for one last time on October 23rd, or will the wait get longer? Only time will tell.